In this video, I will show you how to buy an Airbnb gift card. To do this, just go and open up Airbnb, and then what you want to do is click on your profile in the top right and go to gift cards. If you don't have an account, you can also go to airbnb.com/gift cards. From there, click on buy now, and then it will redirect you to the actual buying page. So then you will see this. So you can first pick a design that you want to use. So they have quite a few of them. For example, I'll just use the normal Airbnb logo right there. Then you can choose an amount to put on the gift card. So it can be between 25 and 2,000 euros. For example, I'll just keep it to 100. Then, if you are looking to buy in bulk, you can visit their corporate gift card page. So if you're buying it for employees, for example, then it's easier to do that. Then from here, how would you like to send it? So over email, and then who is it for? So just enter the recipient's name and email. Then you can also choose to add a custom message, and then who is it from? So your own name, and when should they send the gift card? So if it's a birthday gift, for example, you can set it to their birthday. Then from there, click on add to basket and just go and check out. So you can go to basket in the top right, and from there check out, and you have a few more frequently asked questions right here. For example, do they expire? And in this case, no, they don't expire. So if you have any of these questions, you can also find those. So that's how to buy an Airbnb gift card. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I'll see you in the next video.